What's going on? So today we got a video from the cop cam, and the title of the video is "This is why you don't stab people, hurt 2 kids, and hit a cop." Dang, that's crazy. That's a lot. So let's get into it, man.
On December 29th, 2023, witnesses told officers that a suspect later identified as Jabriel Goodwin was seen stabbing another man in the arm and leg, yelling, "Get out my car," and fleeing the scene. Here's what happened shortly after.
Get out of the f***ing car! Get out of the f***ing car!
President Bobby continues to flee. Taking me 5.
315 on patrol 1. I'm on that job lot now.
Hey, I'm the one who got stabbed.
All right. I'm on with the victim. Hey, guys! What's up, man?
Oh, I don't know. Hand in my chest.
What happened, dude? Why don't you do me a favor? Have a seat on the curb for me.
Holy shit.
Why don't you have a seat for me, man, all right? Before you keel over.
How many stabbings do you have?
Continuing south main inbound.
We got one individual, 2 stab-ons. Any other confrontations?
I just got here, bro. Hey, my man.
Outbound on
I can't hear you.
I have it on video.
Okay, all right. So just kind of walk me through it. Where were you when you saw this? Right here.
I was going to the Dollar Tree.
Okay.
Got out. They were arguing.
Yep.
Got out. Came around. Started. Fucking said, "Get out of my car." I don't know what he said or whatever.
So a suspect approaches him in the car?
Yeah.
Yep.
The kid that came around. He was sitting.
I do like the Italian accents do be fire though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I don't know. I'm an accent type of guy. So anybody with an accent, sometimes depending on where you go, people think I got an accent, but yeah, man, dang, dude, this is chaotic.
Passenger seat. He wouldn't get out. I don't know. Whatever. Started hitting him.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was stabbing or whatever.
Okay.
He kept saying, "Get out of my car. Get out of my car." He wouldn't get out of the car.
Okay.
I felt bad, I kind of wanted to do something or whatever, but I didn't want him to. He would have turned on me.
Right, yeah. No, dude, your life's worth it, man. Right?
Yeah, so I went in, I got my Amazon package.
Okay.
He was still, arguing. He was like, "Get out of my car," yelling at him. Came out, then he actually ripped him out of the car and
Threw his phone at him.
yeah, okay, threw his phone. All right. And then he just took off. Okay.
Hop out of your car. Hop out of your car.
Gotta roll over.
Keep your f***ing hands up! Hey, stop your f***ing hands up!
Yo, he flipped the car? Like, what? He flipped the whole car. That's crazy. See, at first I thought this was the guy. I'm like, oh, he running real slow because the cop catches him quick. But now I see what's going on.
Gotta roll over.
Keep your f***ing hands up! Hey, stop your f***ing hands up! Put your f***ing hands up! F***ing moving! Stop f***ing moving around!
Right towards the back!
Slide over here! Put your hands back there. See the back seat. Climb to the back. Climb to the back.
Slide over now. Watch out, you guys. Go out to the back. Go out to the back.
Shut up. Shut up.
One available. Have it.
Just hold the car. Help me, please. Help me. Help me. Please.
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up.
Oh, God. Oh.
They gonna throw him all types of crazy. No funny.
Give me your hand.
My back! My back! My back! My back! Oh, it's my back! Oh, it's my back! Oh, it's my back! Oh, it's my back! My back! My back!
Somebody call 1-800.
Bro, nobody don't care about your back and your ribs, man. You just got done poking somebody up crazy, bro. They don't care about that. Like, what? My ribs, my back. See, here's the thing, right? When you crash a car and that airbag deploys, yeah, it'll save your life. You know, in the big scheme of things, you know, it's supposed to help save your life. But listen, that ain't memory foam, okay? That thing is gonna hit you and you gonna feel it, okay? Some people get knocked out by airbags. Some people, you know, you do it, you gonna feel it. You know, you might get hurt, you might get injured, but in the big scheme of things, it's to prevent you from, when you hit impact, going forward and maybe going out of the window or hitting the steering wheel to knock you out. Like, so it's to kind of, you know, you kind of meet in the middle. Like if this is the airbag, right? Let's say this is the steering wheel with the airbag and this is you, and you hit, right? You start going like this, and that is, it happens fast. So it's like, and it kind of, it meets you. And it'll, you know, pause you and push you back some. But that ain't no cakewalk. You know what I'm saying? You do not want to get hit by an airbag. That boy talking about his back and his ribs. Look at this. Look at this. They told him, shut up. You hear me? They're like, shut up. They don't want to hear that, all that whining and complaining.
Just overcome. Help me, please. Help me. Help me. Please.
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up. Oh, God.
We have no concealed blocking.
Give me your hand.
My back! My back! My back! Oh, my back! Oh, my back! Oh, my back! Oh, my back! My back! My back!
Somebody call 1-800.
Oh my God! My back! My back! My back! Oh my God! Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. Ah, my back! Ah, my back! Oh my God, my back! Oh, my back! Help me, please. Rub me on my stomach, please. Please, can you rub me on my stomach? Ow! Oh, oh, oh,
Where?
In the road, in the middle of the road.
Whereabouts? It's a big road.
Like,
Right about where the candy sign.
Do me a favor, help me out, because... Did you see anything? I know. We've already got him. I thought you had something important to tell me. Fucking unbelievable. Asking me what's going on.
I'm gonna tell you guys.
Oh man, these things, yo, look, these things just click off so fast, man.
On December 29th.
Hold on, I want to catch the ending of that, man. Dang. What we got here, man? These are the charges. Let me see. All right, man. Felony assault, man. Weapon other than a firearm. So it's not possession of controlled substance, obstruction of a police officer in the execution of his duties, disorderly conduct. That's a throwaway. And then eluding law enforcement in a high-speed pursuit. Yeah. Judge set bail at only $5,000. That's it. $5,000 bail. That means it's a $500 bond. You cause all that ruckus, poke dude up and everything, and you could get out for 500? Yo, oh my God. This criminal justice system is crazy, bro. Yo, they don't want me to be a judge, but for all of this, I'm setting bail at least 100,000. I ain't gonna lie to you. We gonna get that bread up out you. You wanna get out? You wanna act a fool like this and put the community at danger? It gotta be at least 100,000. $5,000 bail? If your bail is $5,000, that means your bond is $500.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.